Hey friends, welcome to my next little G Shock clip here. We have a normal regular box and let's see what we have. Yeah, here it is. It's a G9300ER-5 DR. Module number 3261. Let's open it. Here we go. Always be careful. Yeah, here is a description. I think it's a Japanese description, I don't know. And here is the tag. Nothing special, but it's important for every collector to have all together tag and description and tin and box. Here it is, the description, big book, some warranty codes, some informations. Here we go. Okay, let's see the tin. Normal regular silver tin. G Shock at the top, G Shock at the side. And let's open it. And here we go. It's a really rare piece. I think it's 300 till 400 pieces worldwide limited. Let's start at the band. Very cool brown band with tough solar at the top here, protection on the bezel, and the other side black buckle, black matte keeper, and twin sensor. Let's see the back plate. Here is mud resist and the compass north-south, and this is the back side from the band. Shock resist, very special, cool piece. It's my first Mudman, and yeah, it's here shock resist, a G Shock protection. And let's see the face. Here we go. G Shock at the top, light button here at the right, compass, search, and at the side twin sensor. The buttons at the side are really hard to press, but it's a military watch. I think it's good. Okay, it's a tough solar watch. You can see it's a solar powered watch. You can see it around the display. Let's get a better light here, okay. And yeah, let's see some functions. Mode, moon function, world time, normal time stopwatch, timer, alarm. Yeah, and of course here on the right side the compass and temperature. You can see the compass, northwest, southwest, and yeah, southwest, north, and so on. And the temperature, here again, 29 degrees. I had it before on my wrist, that's why temperature is so high. And yeah, of course, you can see here display. You can read the letters really good. Okay, let's see the complete watch again. Really sick piece. Really sick. Please give me information if I'm wrong or if I'm right. I think 300 till 400 pieces worldwide. It's a Japanese release, but also it comes on the US market too. It's not for Europe, that's why it is really hard to find. and I was very lucky. My piece is a little bit used, but you can't see anything. It's in a perfect condition, and I'm really happy about it. So let's see a really special part of it. It has a backlight, so I hope you can see it. It's really hard to get on the camera. Here it is, a star. Here it is. You can see it. Great star. I don't know it exactly what it means, but I think it's a military star. Okay. The functions from this watch is, like I said, tough solar, shock resist, mud resist, of course, direction measurement. It's a thermometer, 200 meter, water resistant, and moon phase graph, 1000 hour stopwatch, world time of course, full auto EL backlight. Okay, thanks guys for watching. It was a really long clip about this great sick piece, but I think I must show it to you guys. If you have the chance to buy it for a great price, you should take it. Thanks guys for watching. Please give me many positive rates and comments, and please watch my other clips. You make me happy about it. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.